Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering the essentials: a 250 GB plus external SSD and a USB 3. One enclosure, a PC with UEFI and secure boot, and the Windows 11 ISO. Once done, install Rufus or get the media creation tool so you can write a bootable image. Make sure your internal drive has backups before changing boot order. You will also enable USB debugging in BIOS if available. This reduces boot conflicts. With files ready and a charged laptop, proceed to image creation. You now create the bootable Windows environment. Open Rufus, pick the Windows 11 ISO, and choose the external SSD as the target. Select GPT for UEFI, and if Rufus offers Windows to Go or full Windows image mode, pick it so Windows installs to the external disk rather than modifying the internal drive. Start the write and watch verification. This step copies system files and configures the environment. Once Rufus finishes, safely eject and prepare to boot from the external SSD on your PC. You boot from the external SSD using the BIOS or temporary boot menu. Set USB/UEFI first if needed. Follow Windows setup like a normal install. Create user, update, and then install drivers from Device Manager for performance and battery. Make sure Windows activation and updates complete before heavy use. If you can't boot, try toggling Secure Boot or Fast Boot, enable legacy USB support, or test the enclosure on another PC. Compatibility is a common blocker. Once stable, you've got a portable Windows 11 drive.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.